What was the motivation? Because sometimes it isn't just the chase for money. It is something else that, in mindset, or what was it
I
that
mean, I mean, look, in terms of specifically tangible motivation, I had a 1 year old daughter who needed paying for. I had a wife and a mortgage and a house. Those someone needed to put food on the table, and me pitying myself wasn't going to help that. So there was a practicality to needing money. I think there was a second level to it as well, where I always say I was never born to be poor. So I wanted to go and make that money again for myself, but also I guess my motivation is doing things and creating things and building things, and listen, I'm not saying I don't suffer on the bad days. I don't suffer on the down days. I do, like anyone else, probably less than most, because again, I look at those down days as almost like built with a level of tolerance and resilience that's, like anything. I guess, if you watch a boxer in the ring getting punched in the face, and you think it must be utterly horrendous for them, but the reality is those guys have learnt how to be punched in the face hundreds and thousands of times for years and years and years, so they genuinely get to the point where they don't feel it, or they know how to do with it. Now and again, some big punch from from an unknown, like a boxer they've never boxed before, might come along, and that jolts them, and that gives them a surprise, and there's a bit of new learning to be done then. But that, I guess, the repetitive jab, 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 they just know how to deal with it, and I think that there was a lot of that for me. So I think because I've got that resilience, I just want to, I want to get on and build things and solve problems and do things. So, there was the tangible side of the money, but the intangible, if that's the word, where, I'm not just going to sit at home and watch telly. I'm certainly not going to go and work for anyone else, and, taking pity on myself all day is neither going to get me paid nor make me happy. So,